A very good morning to all of the students, my dear students. Myself now Bahar, and today we will discuss about staffing function of management, subject of 12th class business studies. And we were discussing about chapter 6, that is staffing. And our previous topic or last topic was staffing process. स्टाफिंग प्रोसेस हमने किया था बेटा लास्ट में, जिसमें था एस्टिमेटिंग मैन पावर, प्लानिंग, रिक्रूटमेंट, सिलेक्शन, प्लेसमेंट, ट्रेनिंग, डेवलपमेंट, प्लेसमेंट एंड ओरिएंटेशन. तो दैट वाज अवर लास्ट टॉपिक और दैट वाज स्टाफिंग प्रोसेस. नाउ टुडे वी विल डिस्कस दैट एज वी नो दैट इन लार्ज स्केल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, मैंने आपको बताया है all of the business organization who operate their business operations on large scale, they have a requirement or a separate department that is known as human resource department. Then this is the department who plays prominent role in case of putting the right person into the right job, or we can say that selection of a best candidate is totally the function of the human resource department. This is the department who involved in total process of staffing. They inviting application, that is known as recruitment. They select their candidates on the basis of so many tests and examinations, and this is the department which perform staffing function. लार्ज स्केल में होगा तो सेपरेट डिपार्टमेंट होगा, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट, फिर सारा का सारा काम यही करेगा, रिक्रूटमेंट का, सिलेक्शन का, ट्रेनिंग का, डेवलपमेंट का, प्लेसमेंट का, ओरिएंटेशन का. बट इफ बिजनेस इज ऑपरेटिंग और ऑपरेटेड एज ऑन लार्ज स्मॉल स्केल, सपोज ए बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हु इज ऑपरेटिंग देयर एक्टिविटीज ऑन लार्ज स्केल, देन देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट, नो सेपरेट डिपार्टमेंट इज क्रिएटेड. अगर ये छोटे स्केल पे काम करें तो हम उनको ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट क्रिएट करने की जरूरत नहीं है बेटा, बिकॉज इन्वॉल्व्स ह्यूज कॉस्ट. क्रिएशन ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट क्रिएट्स ह्यूज कॉस्ट ऑफ द बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड दैट विल लीड टू इंक्रीजिंग द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. सो दे अवॉइड एंड देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट. देन स्टाफ अकॉर्डिंग और इन दिस केस स्मॉल स्केल, they perform the following steps. Following steps are followed by small scale organizations. Small scale organizations regarding staffing who are not having human resource department ये स्मॉल स्केल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जिनके पास ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट नहीं होता है. दे इंक्लूड दीज फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स इन केस ऑफ ए स्टाफिंग फंक्शन और दे विल परफॉर्म. फर्स्ट वन, परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल. Performance appraisal. Second one is promotion and career planning. Promotion and career planning. And third one is compensation. Small scale organizations who are not having human resource department. They include in the staffing process the following functions, or we can say that best or candidate, they are to be selected by taking these steps into process. First one is performance appraisal. What do you mean by performance appraisal? First question is that performance evaluation means है performance of the employees. Performance appraisal means performance of the employees must be evaluated, or this is the process in which performance of appraisal, performance of employees must be evaluated, and on the basis of performance they are to be given some rank, some jobs, and performance is done against some standards. It means first of all they have to, or they must set out some standard, or we can say that in modern days we can say that target, जैसे आजकल टारगेट दे देते हैं भाई, and on the basis of those standards performance of each and every employees must be evaluated, then they are to be given some opportunity to perform in the task, and on the basis of this performance superiors, on the basis of performance superiors, they prepare a feedback report of all employees. देखो बेटा स्टाफिंग का ये भी है कि परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल है, जो एम्प्लॉयज़ है उनको कुछ स्टैंडर्ड के बेस पे उनकी परफॉर्मेंस को इवेलुएट करना है, और सुपीरियर है वो एक रिपोर्ट तैयार करेंगे, दे आर टू बी थिंक अबाउट. सेकंड है प्रमोशन एंड कैरियर प्लानिंग. इट रेफर्स टू first point was performance appraisal, then promotion and career planning. It refers to placing the employees at a higher job positions with more pay, job satisfaction and responsibility. Job position with more पे एंड जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. देखो बेटा हमने कहा है स्मॉल स्केल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में फर्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल होगा. परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी एम्प्लॉय मस्ट बी इवेलुएटेड बाय कीपिंग इन माइंड सम स्टैंडर्ड्स, एंड सुपीरियर दे प्रिपेयर ए फीडबैक रिपोर्ट ऑफ ऑल द एम्प्लॉयज. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. सेकंड वाज प्रमोशन एंड करियर. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ फीडबैक रिपोर्ट वी कैन से दैट on basis of feedback report, employees they are placed at a higher job position with more pay, job satisfaction and employment. जिनकी फीडबैक रिपोर्ट अच्छी है उस फीडबैक रिपोर्ट के बेस पे एम्प्लॉय जब वो अपॉइंट किए जाएंगे बाय गिविंग मोर पे, उनको ज़्यादा देंगे. जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन इट मीन्स प्रोवाइडिंग वर्किंग कंडीशंस, राइट वर्किंग कंडीशंस एंड रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. एंड थर्ड वन है कॉम्पनसेशन. इट रेफर्स टू प्राइस ऑफ द जॉब, प्राइस ऑफ द जॉब। देखो बेटा, व्हाट डू मीन बाय प्राइस ऑफ द जॉब? प्राइस ऑफ द जॉब मीन्स गिविंग कॉम्पनसेशन, it means given compensation all of the employees who are working or who are devoting their time in the form of remuneration, on the basis of remuneration, or we can say that it includes salary and wages. Salary and wages, they are to be given. This is also known as salary and wages. This is known as direct payment. It is also called direct payment. A direct payment is to made to the job holders for that time which they are to give to the organizations, and this is direct payment is given on the basis of, and base of direct payment, we can say that base of direct payment is depend on qualification, type of job, and experiences, etc. Then we can say that small scale organizations who are not having their human resource department as separately, then they involve or they follow these type of steps for the appointment, for the putting the right person into the right job. First of all, they check out the performance of their own employees by keeping in mind some standard, by fixing the criteria or standard. Then they are to be given some promotion and career planning. It refers to placing the employees on the basis of feedback report, on the basis of performance of all of the employees. They are to be placed with higher positions, with more pay, job satisfaction and responsibility. जिनकी फीडबैक रिपोर्ट बढ़िया है उनको अच्छी पे के साथ जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन के साथ प्रमोट करना। फिर आता कॉम्पनसेशन। कॉम्पनसेशन बेटा जॉब की प्राइस है, दिस इज द प्राइस ऑफ द जॉब, और वी कैन से दैट कॉम्पनसेशन क्या है? वी नो दैट ईच एंड एवरी एम्प्लॉय मस्ट डिवोट हिज प्रीशियस टाइम, he must devote his time in favor of other parties or to the organization, and for devoting the time he is to get some compensation, and that compensation is known as salary or wages or remuneration. जो भी आदमी काम करेगा, जॉब करेगा, उसकी सैलरी, वेजेस, रेम्यूनरेशन होगी. दैट इज आल्सो नोन एज डायरेक्ट पेमेंट. एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस डायरेक्ट पेमेंट, direct base of direct payment is qualification. On the basis of qualification, on the basis of types of jobs, and on the basis of experience, on the basis of talents, they are to given this type of compensation. And a financial payments, they are of two types. और ये कहते हैं पेमेंट से बेटा they can be divided into और compensation should be given. जो compensation हम एम्प्लॉयज़ को देते हैं वो पेमेंट होती है डायरेक्ट पेमेंट, दैट शुड बी गिवन ऑन टाइम पेमेंट बेसिस और टाइम बेस्ड पेमेंट. फर्स्ट है हमारा टाइम बेस्ड पेमेंट. टाइम बेस्ड पेमेंट है एक तो, दिस इज गिवन अगेंस्ट द टाइम विच दे डिवोट टू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन आर के बेस पे कह सकते हैं 2 आवर 3 आवर 8 आवर 6 आवर. एंड सेकेंड दे आर टू बी गिवन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस, परफॉर्मेंस बेस्ड पेमेंट. Or we can say that direct payment can be done by two bases: time based payment and performance based. Time based, suppose a employee is said that he must devote 8 hours in a particular day, and working days in a particular month will be 25, and he is to be given rupees 30,000. That is the payment which is given to each and every employee or to that particular employee on time based payment. And second one is the performance based. This is the other type of direct payment. Suppose some targets are given to the employees and some standards they are to be maintained. If they achieve that particular standard, then they are to be given a maximum salaries. Suppose target दे दिया, performance दे दी, performance better होगी, then they are to be given more salary or more remuneration or wages. If performance will be low, then there must be a system of devotion and promotion. So on the basis of performance, payment should be given. These two types of performance are given. Now we can say that in small scale organizations where human resource department is not exist, then this type of process should be followed there. First one, performance appraisal, promotion and career planning, and compensation. Okay, thank you beta, have a nice day.